This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make a Chrysler 300 in GTA 5. First, you'll need to select the right base vehicle to begin your transformation. Then, we'll dive into specific modifications that capture the iconic style of the Chrysler 300. Get ready to cruise Los Santos in a car that truly stands out, reflecting your personal taste and attention to detail. It's a fun way to enhance your gameplay experience. To start, the Albany Emperor is your go-to vehicle for replicating the Chrysler 300. Its classic, boxy silhouette and prominent grille offer the perfect foundation. You can often find the Emperor driving around the richer districts of Los Santos, or simply purchase it online through the Southern San Andreas Super Autos in-game website. This ensures you have a clean slate for all your custom modifications. Now for the fun part, customization. Head to Los Santos Customs. Prioritize grille and bumper options that mimic the Chrysler 300 distinctive front end. Select wheels that complement its luxury sedan feel. A sleek, solid color paint job, perhaps black or silver, will further enhance the resemblance. Don't forget performance upgrades like engine tuning and brakes for that authentic, powerful drive. To complete your Chrysler 300 replica, consider adding dark window tints and subtle interior modifications if available, enhancing the luxury feel. Once satisfied, save your masterpiece in one of your garages so you can easily access it for future cruises. It's truly rewarding to drive a car you've meticulously crafted. Also, for all you avid readers, check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.